I am Iron Man.
No, let's only stop.
You have 1 minute precisely to hide inside when I say. In 1 minute, I'm going to come in and look for you. If I shoot you, you're out the game. You have to come outside, retrieve a gun, and shoot me before I shoot you.
Okay.
I suggest you go now. You've got 1 minute.
Oh, okay. Go. Run.
You're dead. You're dead, Charlie.
We'd love to do that.
Victory is mine! Okay, guys. Guys, you've got 1 more minute to go again. I suggest you go now.
Run.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We're a family that make new movies every Tuesday and Friday. So why not join us by subscribing? Yes! Also, you can follow us on Instagram and Twitter. Subscribe.